Hello viewers, I am mgmsmaths. Welcome to another edition of mgmsmaths Fundamentals in Measurement or Mensuration. Now we are going to see the areas and volumes of regular figures in geometry. First of all, let me start with the triangle. The area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. In a triangle, we have a base B and the height H. Base B and height H. Area of a triangle is half BH square units. Half BH square units. When you have a triangle in the form of right angle triangle, the base becomes the same base and the vertical line that constitutes the 90-degree forms the height. Here too the same formula, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now you have a scalene triangle. Say it is of this form, a triangle. All the three sides are not equal. Say A, B, C. The side opposite to A is small a. The side opposite to capital B is small b. The side opposite to capital C is small c. Then we take S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. S is nothing but the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Semi-perimeter of the triangle S. Area of the triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square units. So area of a triangle is half BH square units. When the three sides are given, area of the triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now the area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is base into height square units. When you have a parallelogram, this is the base and we have to take the vertical height H. Area of a parallelogram is base into height square units. When you take the area of a rhombus, rhombus, it has all the four sides equal, so it will be of this form. It has the diagonals D1 and D2. Area of a rhombus is half D1 into D2 square units. So area of a parallelogram is base into height square units. Area of a rhombus half into D1 into D2 square units. Now the area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral, you take any quadrilateral of this form. Okay, you have to join one of the diagonals and draw the altitudes for the diagonal, and the altitudes become h1 and h2. So the area of a quadrilateral is half d into h1 plus h2 square units. What is the area of a trapezium? Trapezium. In the trapezium, you have two sides parallel, and the parallel sides we write it as A and B. The perpendicular distance between the parallel sides, let me take as h. So this will be half h into A plus B square units. A circle, area of a circle. Area of a circle, you take the area, a circle of this shape. This is the radius and this is the diameter. Area of a circle is pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square. Square units. What is the circumference of the circle? Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r units. 2 pi r units. Since 2 times the radius make the diameter, that can be written as pi d units also. Pi d units also. Let us move on to an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has all the three sides equal. All the three sides equal. When we go to UPSC examinations, many questions are asked based on the equilateral triangle. That is the reason I have separated this from the area of the triangle. The height of an equilateral triangle is h. Rather, we can call it as altitude of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 2a units. Altitude of an equilateral triangle or height of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 2a units. Area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square units. Root 3 by 4 into a square units. Now we will go to other regular figures like square. When we take a square, all the four sides are equal. A. Perimeter is equal to 4 into a units. Area of a square is equal to a into a, rather a square units. Diagonal d is equal to square root of a square plus a square. This is the diagonal. When we take a rectangle, it has the length as well as the breadth. So this is the length and this is the breadth. What is the perimeter? Perimeter P is equal to 2 into L plus B units. What's its area? Area is L into B square units. The diagonal D is equal to square root of L square plus B square. We take cube. Cube is of this form. It has 6 sides. Length A units, B A units and height A units. So, what is the total surface area of a cube? It is 6A square units. What is the volume of a cube? Is equal to A cube cubic units. What is more important, the length of the longest stick that can be placed in a cube is important. This is square root of 3A units. Okay. Now we will move on to a cuboid. This has the length L, breadth B and height H. What is the total surface area of a cuboid? That is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units. What is the volume of a cuboid? L into B into H cubic units. The longest stick that can be placed in the cuboid is D is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Basing on this formula, some questions are asked in UPSC exams. Cylinder. Cylinder, it has the cross section of a circle. It has the radius R and height is the H. What is the curved surface area or lateral surface area of a cylinder? The edge is 2 pi r, this is H, so 2 pi r H square units. What is the total surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi r into H plus r square units. What is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder is cross sectional area pi r square into H. Pi r square H cubic units. Suppose you have hollow cylinder whose inner radius is small r and outer radius is capital R and height H. What is the total surface area? Total surface area of the hollow cylinder is 2 pi into R plus R into R minus R plus H square units. What is the volume of the material of the hollow cylinder? Pi H into R plus R into R minus R cubic units. Now, we will see a cone. This is a right circular cone. This has a radius of R, height of H and slant length or slant height L. Usually when a cone is given, any two of the variables will be given and as the third variable. So it will be like this. L is equal to square root of H square plus R square. H is equal to square root of L square minus R square. R is equal to square root of L square minus H square. What is the curved surface area or lateral surface area of a cone? This is pi r L square units. What is the total surface area of a cone? Total surface area is pi r into L plus R square units. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square H cubic units. Of course, if you have a frustum like a bucket, and it has small radius and larger radius, and the height of this is H units. Volume of the frustum is equal to 1 by 3 pi H into R square plus small r square plus r small r into big R cubic units. Volume of a frustum is equal to 1 by 3 pi H into capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r. When we take a sphere, it has the radius R. Okay. The curved surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square units. What is the volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cubic units. Suppose you have a hollow sphere. Of inner radius small r and outer radius capital R. So, volume of the material is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube cubic units. I suppose I made it clear and covered most of the portions in mensuration. If you like my program, click the like button and subscribe my programs. Thank you.